Okay, so we got a big job that starts Monday morning on the 20th here at Regency Towers. It's a job that I bid about 4 months ago, got the contract on about 3 months ago, and have been planning and dreading the job ever since. So I've tried to explain to people what we're doing here, and people just really can't grasp it, so I'll go ahead and explain it here on the video to make a lot more sense. Literally every piece of electrical equipment that you see in a total of 4 electrical rooms. This is 1 electrical room here. We got 1200 amp disconnects, those are all being replaced. All these meter bases, every piece of metal that you see right here, everything's all new. That's going to be all new on Monday morning. There's 48 meters on this side, 2 1200 amp disconnects. Everything's going to be replaced. Okay, that's going to be Monday's project. Alright, when we get done with that, and the reason they're doing this, for those of you that have asked that, they're getting some corrosion. This meter right here has been relocated, as you can see. It was down there in that spot. They're getting some corrosion, and some, it doesn't look that bad from the outside, but they're getting some corrosion inside. They're trying to take care of the problem before they have more problems. So that'll be cleaned up and put back in its original location. All that will be removed. So when we get done with that first half that you see, that's Monday's project. Late Monday night, we should be done with that side. As you can see here, we started bringing in some of our equipment that we're going to need for the first day of the job. And then we get to jump over here on Tuesday morning and get to work on this side. Replace everything you see here on the wall. All that comes out and gets scrapped. All the meters we have to label and take care of and set aside and put them right back where they belong. That's our responsibility there as well. All this comes out, it gets replaced, and then Wednesday morning jump to this side. And as you can see right now, there's 4 gang meters. The new meters are wider, so we have to go taller. We can't go any farther to the right because we're up against the wall as it is, so we have to go, some of them 6 high here to gain some extra width. So like I said, this is Wednesday morning, or Wednesday. We'll be in here taking care of this. And Thursday morning, we got an 800 amp panel that's being replaced here, CT cabinet going here, new panel. And these 3 panel boards should be a Friday morning. This is simple. But anyway, this is 1 electrical room. When we get done with this electrical room, which will be Friday by 5 o'clock, we have to have power back up and going. So Monday morning at 7 a.m., they're shutting it down. Gulf Power swapping out a transformer. And we've got until Friday, the same week, to get all this stuff back in, inspected, and turned back on by Friday at 5 p.m. So it's been a lot of planning, and that's half the battle right there. And this is 1 electrical room. We get to go down the following week, take a weekend off. Monday morning of the following week, we jump right back down to electrical room number 1, 7 a.m., same scenario. Less meters on that one. That one only has about 60 meters, 65 or something. That one there's going to be a cakewalk. We'll be done with that one in 3 days. We have the whole week to do it, but we'll be done with that one in 3 days. And then we get the weekend off and jump back down to electrical room 3, which is the same as this one. About 120 meters in that one as well. More panels, a couple more panels that have to be swapped out. But anyway, and then the 4th week we go down to the west end of the building where there's about 54 meters. And once again, that one will be easy, 3 days. But anyway, this is what I've been working on and planning for and stressing over and not sleeping at night over because. So it's all in the planning. Wish me luck.